Hi, this is Adie from 80s Crafts and Things. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this beautiful waistcoat or knit stitch. This makes a very nice thick fabric. It's not too stretchy, so it's not very see-through. There's a lot of great uses for this stitch. So just make sure you grab your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. Welcome back. So like I said, we're going to be working on a waistcoat stitch. So we're going to start just by doing a chain of any number. For this example, I'm just going to be using 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do one more for my turning chain. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a single crochet row. So that last stitch we're going to skip, but we're going to insert our hook into the second loop right here, just on the back. And we're just going to do single crochets all the way through. And this is going to be the foundation for your project. Now, the waistcoat stitch, also known as the crochet knit stitch, will give a nice sturdy or fluffier, I don't know how to explain it, but definitely thicker kind of feel to your fabric. Now, let me see. Almost done. Okay, so from here I have my 10 stitches. I'm gonna go ahead and chain 1, turn my work around. And for the first stitch, I'm just gonna do a very simple, just single crochet, nothing special about it, just to keep a nice straight edge. And then the stitches in between those edges are the ones that we're gonna be doing the waistcoat stitch. Now what this is going to involve is going in between the post instead of the top of your stitch. We're going to go and split the post. So for a single crochet, you'll see how there's like two little legs. So there's one, there's the other. So we're going to be splitting. We're going to go straight through it, yarn over, pull up a loop. Make it just a little bit longer, yarn over, pull through the 2. We're gonna do that all the way through this row. Feel free to pull it as needed just to split that stitch, that post. The rows after this will be a little bit easier, but that first row is a little bit trickier. You want to take your time with this one. You don't want to accidentally split at the wrong place. More. And then after this one, we're just going to do a regular single crochet on top of the stitch. Okay, let's do another row. So we're going to chain 1, turn your work. You're going to single crochet onto the very first stitch. And then we're going to start splitting, and you'll see this one is a lot easier to see those 2 legs of your post. So we're going to go between those and make sure that you're going underneath this little bar. Okay. Again, make sure that you pull a little bit more than you usually would with your single crochet. I hear that sometimes it's a little bit easier with a slightly pointier hook. Unfortunately, I don't have any pointier hooks. But you will make it work with whatever you've got, I'm sure. And again, the last stitch, just regular single crochet on top of the stitch. So there you have it, waistcoat stitch. If you were to do this in the round, it will look more like a knitted design, a knitted pattern, but you can replicate it very nicely like that with your crochet, and both sides will look the same, so it's just reversible. Anyway, yeah, so hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, any comments. Let me know what you would use this stitch for. And in the meantime, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, share the channel, that helps heaps. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.